y'all. Little niecey Pooh is here. Say hey. Hey. I'm about to go to Sisters Who Brunch, or Sisters That Brunch. My friend Christina is having an event, so we're about to do our makeup. I gave Demaya a lip gloss, honey, and she kept opening it up, so I had to take it back from her. No. Yes, no. You want to put some clothes on? Yeah. Come on, TT Leisha finna come pick you up. These different rubber bands and they're all over your head. What your daddy done put in this bag, child? Can you fit this? Y'all, here is my fit. I got the shoes from Hills to Toe, pants, Taboo, I believe. The top is from H&M. And, oh, let me show you my face. That's my makeup look. We gotta go. So, catch up with y'all in the car. Okay, so we probably gonna get there like 11:35-ish, you know. We're not far, so happy Saturday. I don't think I ever say happy Saturday. So my aunt has my niece right now. Hope there's nothing on y'all. My aunt has my niece right now. Girl, babysitter trying to find a babysitter. Shit. She got her. I gave her some money to get her some pull-ups and some socks. They hanging out until I finish with this event. And then I'm gonna go and get her some clothes and stuff. Her dad gave me some money to get her some clothes and stuff. Because I was like, boy, I think he got her for the summer, he said. So there's that. Which is cool. I got on these blue. These pants are so freaking cute. Oh, like I'm sweat. The fuck? Go here. This is Christina. I don't know if y'all have ever seen Christina. I work with her with Levon that does like I work with her on weddings and stuff. Lashes was trying to give me a time. I had to put some more lashes on. Just didn't feel right without them. I mean, I felt cool without them, but at the same time, I'm like, oh shit, let me throw some lashes on. It started at 11, it's 11:20, so that's not bad. So let me get through this traffic because it seems to want to be a lot of people outside right now. And I'll just catch up with y'all in a minute because I don't know what these people doing in front of me. Yeah, BRB.
Last one of y'all taking out some of y'all days home because this is Saturday. We could be at home.
Yeah.
So I just want to say thank y'all so much for coming because it really do mean the world to me. And it shows me how intentional y'all are, just like me, about sisterhood.
Yeah.
So I just want to get to the degree of why I wanted to do this brunch in the first place. For a long time, I always felt like there was a divide in the entrepreneur community, especially amongst women. You can do that.
Can I say mine out loud?
Yeah, sure, go ahead.
Okay, because I feel like I've been doing makeup. I've been in business for a long time. I just do a lot. So my name is Demeatrice-OZCZWKHI. I own Beauty by D.BEASLEY makeup. That's all I do. I don't try to branch out. I do what I do, but I love what I do. So you have to love what you do, and don't do it just because everybody else is doing it. That's the key. That's what I've learned. Just FYI. That's another thing. Like a lot of us still work jobs, so it's just about balance. But don't forget about your love for your job. I mean, for your passion for your entrepreneurship. Well, I'll take that back. I love sharing other people's stuff. I don't see a lot of people here, not y'all, but here do that. Yeah. I don't see a lot of people that are here liking other people's stuff. Just anybody. Like I just love it. If it come across my page, but I know that they're local, I don't see them on other people's stuff. So it's good to like just support. Like she said, you always been a big girl, a big girl's girl. So just the support.
I wouldn't necessarily say, I would say local support. So D is absolutely correct as far as people from out of state supporting you. I actually closed my business in 2020. That entire year, I was like, I had no plans of coming back. But a certified life coach in Nashville saw me and gave me my first speaking engagement, gave me my first contract. All of my magazine features, all of my other speaking engagements have come from her. And I met her in a Facebook group. I didn't know her from a campaign. We didn't officially meet in person until 2022. So, and still to this day, all of my referrals, most of my clients are from her certification courses. And so that community that I have from Nashville, you know, it'd be great if I had that locally. So I had a group of ladies that not only pour into me, but I can pour back into. So that's definitely something that I'm looking forward to. And just leaving today with, again, more business connections, more opportunities to connect and collaborate. I think something that we lack here in Little Rock is when people go into collaborations, it's always from a what's in it for me standpoint instead of how can I be of service. And if you just serve from a place of authenticity, then you're going to automatically get that benefit. The way she working in this.
Two. Yeah. 2, 3. 2, 3. Hang on, y'all. 1, 2, 3. Plug your business. Plug your business.
Shop the graphic palettes, logos, websites, business cards, billboards.
Yeah. Come on, billboard. Yeah, plug your business. Come on, plug your business.
Brown elegance on the makeup.
Yeah, period. I'm gonna put everybody's name on the page. Plug your business.
Hey y'all, I'm Tush. You can find me on Instagram at PrettyXHairCo. I do wig installs, cooking, everything.
Yes, plug your business, son.
I'm Aaliyah. I do hair. You can follow me on Instagram at x.alg.x. And I do hair.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah. Plug your business, sis.
Yes, my name is Sydney Sanders. I'm a licensed esthetician specializing in brows.
Yeah.
Instagram is pi.aesthetics. You can find me on Instagram, Sydney Sanders, CYDM.
Come on, see what?
To look the best, book the best.
Plug your business, son. Plug your business, son.
Hello, sis. I am Jay Nicole, aka the dopest brand coach, and I help all of my clients enhance their brand's reputation, embrace their purpose, and live unapologetically.
Yeah. Let me go find these up there. Hey y'all, Beauty by D.BEASLEY. Follow me on Beauty by D.BEASLEY. Everywhere, BEAUD by D.BEASLEY, yo. Instagram, Facebook, TikTok.
Period.
I do makeup. That's it.
Follow me on Lash Looks by Jen. I do lashes. Watch your lashes done. Or come to my girl. We both do lashes.
She will be doing brows soon. She will be doing brows soon. Period. Yes, Christina.
Period.
Hi.
She's the owner of CB Beauty Hut.
Period. Yeah. And that hair. I'm Christina. I'm the owner of CB Hut and Extensions. I'm also the founder of Civ.
Oh my God, y'all, this is a dope event. I swear. Yeah, because they probably like, get y'all legs up out of here. Hey, y'all. So, I just came from seeing my mom. I'm about to go and pick my niece up, I guess. I was gonna go hang out with my girls, and I was gonna hang out with my homegirl, but I forgot I gotta go pick up a package. It's not my package. So I just came from seeing my mom. I did go. I saw y'all saw the last time y'all saw me. I was at the event, Sisters That Brunch or Sisters Who Brunch, put on by my friend Christina. It was a really nice event. Very enlightening, very insightful. Met a lot of young ladies. Girl, I've been doing this a long time, okay? In the makeup industry, baby. I've been doing this a long time. So it's like, I try to give a lot of advice when I can, because a lot of people didn't give me advice. A lot of people kind of just was like, felt like I was invading their territory type shit. Like nobody really like gave me like advice. Yeah. It was a really great event. I was gonna go hang out with my homegirl, but like I said, I gotta get my package from my auntie now. They said they gotta come over here anyway. So I'm finna stop by Walmart and grab her some stuff out of here, just like some outfits and shit. So she can just have. home. I'm a little tired. I'm not gonna hold you. But I had so much fun there. My niece, she slept in the bed with me last night, bro. I'm about to put her out my bed. That's what I'm about to do. I feel like I haven't seen my son in weeks. He working like a Nigerian, no shade. He's working like crazy, and I'm just like, bro, I ain't even seen you. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna run in Walmart real quick and grab her some stuff. I'll be right back.
But then y'all was at the camera and his face. Look, she loved it too.
Say cheese. You ain't gonna say nothing? We're about to eat hibachi. Yeah. Say hey, TT. Say hey, TT. So like when you whisper, she gonna whisper back.
I kept touching my baby. I said, she kept laying on one side.
It's Sunday. Sure. Y'all can't even see me. I'ma look. She ate her she was tearing her oatmeal up this morning. I don't know the name of it.
It's called Slitterbond. It's the water park or something.
I asked Crystal.
Oh, that was seaweed everywhere. Touching your leg.
Okay.
I was like, oh no.
No. Little Rock. Little Rock. No, not that one, this one. Put that one on the table. Fan. Oh, look. Look. Oh, look. There you go. Look how she looking.
Oh, you're eating? Wow. I'm just worried about him.
Nah.
Damn, I hope you like onions.
I do.
Oh, okay.
You're not gonna
You're
eat
the
that.
last person to get a lot of onions.
Well, no, there. No, you eat chicken now. You eating?